with a heart. Ahead at 6:25, the Columbus Academy Summer Camp, teaching kids home improvement skills while giving back.
Hammering with Heart at 6:25, how local middle schoolers are trading video games for toolboxes this summer and how their hard work will pay off. Well, still ahead at 6:25, local summer campers are learning home improvement skills this week, how their hard work will pay off tomorrow, and how their project will help a local family. Check this out. Students at Columbus Academy are spending their summer learning home improvement skills. At the summer camp Hammer for Heart, this week, middle schoolers teamed up with Habitat for Humanity to build a playhouse for a family in need in Columbus. The kids we spoke to said they learned how to put things together, use tools, and work together.
There were like 4 different groups. Each group made a wall. And then there's a group that worked on the floor and then the ceiling. And then we painted them. And then today we're assembling the whole thing.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Tomorrow, campers will get to give their playhouse to a local family in need. I'm sure they'll be appreciative, no doubt about that.
So, remember, when we come around this corner, this is going to be your surprise, okay?
All new at 6, all work and now time to play. After a week of sweating it out, some local students in Columbus presenting a playhouse they built for a local family. You'll see that heartwarming reveal tonight at 6.
There's been a group of campers who've been working very hard all week. They've been working on this each day throughout the week. Wow. And they prepared a very special surprise for you.
3 siblings got a big surprise today. We'll show you their new playhouse built entirely by Columbus Academy middle schoolers. We have an update tonight to a story we first brought you yesterday. After a week of hard work, today local middle schoolers presented a playhouse they built to a local family.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, we need to go ahead and get in there. It's your new playhouse.
Plenty of room for all of you.
Oh, they love it. Today, 3 children explored their brand new playhouse. It was built from scratch by Columbus Academy middle schoolers at a summer camp where they partnered with Habitat for Humanity to learn home improvement skills. The students even personalized the playhouse for those kids.
They're very excited. We just surprised them out of nowhere. All of their favorite colors are in there. The unicorn stood out. They love Bluey. Sonic is one of my son's favorites, so you guys nailed it.
Oh, that's great. The children will be able to take home the playhouse next week. Well done, kids. Well done.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, we need to go ahead and get in there. It's your new playhouse.
And there's plenty of room for all of you.
And later, 3 siblings have a new place to play, built entirely by Columbus Academy middle schoolers. See the big reveal. Well, today, 3 siblings got to explore their brand new playhouse thanks to some local students. The playhouse was built from scratch by Columbus Academy middle schoolers at a summer camp where they partnered with Habitat for Humanity to learn home improvement skills. Now, the students even personalized the playhouse for the kids using their favorite colors and favorite characters like Sonic and Bluey. And their dad said, hey, these Columbus Academy students nailed it. So we showed you this a little earlier. I was like, let's give these middle schoolers more props because what they did was wonderful.
That also looks great.
I know, it looks fun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I know, so they're going to deliver it next week.
You know what the best part about a playhouse is in this weather? Gives you some shade.
Yeah, there we go. If it only had air conditioning.
Yeah, you put them under the window.
All right. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Enjoy your weekend.